Hey Java developers, ready to master Booleans in just a few minutes? Let's dive in. In programming, we often need data types that can have only two values, like yes, no, on, off, or true, false. Java's got us covered with the Boolean data type, storing values as true or false. To declare a Boolean in Java, use the Boolean keyword. Here's an example. Java Boolean isJavaFun =, true. Boolean is isFishTasty = false. System.out.println isJavaFun. // outputs true system. out.println isFishTasty. // outputs false Boolean expressions return true or false and are super handy for conditions. Check this out. Java int x =10. Int y = 9. System.out.println x y. // outputs true system.out.println 10 9. // outputs true using equality operators is just as simple. Java int x = 10. System out.println x =, 10. // outputs true system.out.println 10 =, 15. // outputs false. Now let's see a real-world example. Suppose we want to check if someone is old enough to vote. Java int my age = 25. Int voting age = 18. System out println my age = voting age // outputs true, or let's make it interactive with an if-else statement. Java if my age = voting age. System out println old enough to vote. Else system out println not old enough to vote. So why are Booleans important? They're the foundation of conditions and decision making in Java. Understanding them will help you write efficient and logical programs. Did you find this video helpful? Like this video, subscribe to GLO Tech for more Java tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy coding!